Dogs teach us life lessons every single day. Some dogs teach us patience and love, some teach us forgiveness and loyalty, and some teach us to keep going on no matter how hard life gets. They teach us to find joy in the little things. A sunny day, a gentle breeze, or even a random flower. They remind us to slow down, appreciate the quiet moments, and love with all our hearts. Their presence teaches us to live in the moment, and when they're gone, they leave behind lessons that we carry forever. They show that grief is just love with no place to go. Sometimes the greatest teachers in life have four legs and a wagging tail.